Launch your multi-service app like Gojek. Our Fox-Jek Gojek Clone App script provides 15 deliverables in a single script. Customer Android and iOS apps, delivery person Android and iOS apps, store owner Android and iOS apps, handyman provider Android and iOS apps, super admin web panel, store owner web panel, driver web panel, provider web panel, customer website, dispatcher admin account, billing admin account. Let's check step-by-step workflow of our Fox-Jek apps. Easy login, sign up, customer app. In all four applications, customers and providers can log in and sign up with just contact numbers. Need to verify contact number through OTP number. OTP received on registered contact number. If the customer log in the first time, need to enter more details like full name, email, referral code and accept the terms and conditions. Once submit the details, the customer redirects to the home screen. No need to remain a password for the login. Once the customer logins successfully, he can access 50 plus on-demand services within the single app. On the home screen, customer can change the location and access the app services for the location. Through the master search, customer can find app services and food and grocery products. From the home screen, customers can also manage the wallet top-up and transaction history. Before moving to transport service, first let's review the driver sign-up flow. Easy login, sign-up, driver app. Once the OTP is verified through a contact number, the driver needs to add basic details like full name, gender, and email address. After the fill up the details, a driver has the option to choose select service and vehicle. First, a driver needs to select the vehicle as bike, car or truck that he has and also need to select the services he wants to provide. With a taxi vehicle, he can offer taxi rides, courier services and store delivery services. Later, driver needs to add vehicle details like vehicle type for taxi, sedan, hatchback, SUV, luxury, manufacturer name, model year, vehicle plate number, number of seat, vehicle color. The driver also has an option to select handicap and child seat accessibility if his car has the type of features. If the driver wants to provide rental service with the same vehicle, he can also set that. At last, the driver needs to upload all required documents, which are set by the super admin. Once all the details are added, the driver account goes for approval. Admin can approve and reject the driver account from the driver menu. Driver unapproved driver list. Admin can approve or reject the driver account based on the vehicle and uploaded required document details. Once the admin approves the account, the driver gets an email notification and now he can access the app and get a new ride request. Let's check how taxi ride service works. Customer app side. On the taxi ride service home screen, the customer has the option to select preferences like driver, specific gender, a vehicle with a child seat and handicap accessibility. Once click on the destination, the customer has option to set pickup and destination location. As you show the current location set up as a pickup location, you can change it. Customers can set location through map pointers and Google Auto suggest addresses. A customer also has the option to add a drop point between pickup and destination location If you want to book a ride for someone else, for your friend and family, you can also do it by adding the contact number of the person. Once you confirm the location, you have option to select the vehicle type for your ride. Customers can select the vehicle type, which vehicle type driver is available nearest to the pickup location. Customers can also show estimated ride fare, time and distance as per pickup and destination location. From the same screen, customers can select payment type as cash, card, and wallet, and also apply promo codes and get discounts. Customers can book the ride now or schedule it for the next 4 days. Once the customer booked the ride, the script auto finds the nearest drivers for the ride request. The driver gets the new ride request with a ring sound. A driver can see pickup and destination location, estimation time, booking type, now or scheduled, and payment method cash, card, wallet. A driver can also reject the ride request. Once accept the ride request, customers get quick in-app notifications. Customers can check the driver's vehicle details and get an idea about the vehicle which comes for pickup. The driver can view the pickup location, estimation time and distance from the current location to the pickup location. If the driver or customer has queries, they can call and chat with each other within the app. Once the driver arrives at the pickup location, click on the Arrived button. Now once the customer is picked up, the driver can start the ride. When clicking on Start Ride, a driver needs to enter the OTP code. The OTP code collects from the customer. It's a security feature that the driver only starts the ride only after meets to real customers. Once the ride is started, the driver can show the ETA time and distance for the drop location and also navigate to Google Maps to find the best route. Once the ride is completed by the driver, the customer and driver can view the ride invoice in brief with details of distance fare, time fare, base fare, minimum fare, etc. Customers can provide the tip to drivers based on the ride experience. At the end, the customer needs to pay the ride amount through cash, card, or wallet. At the time of booking, just need to select, but he needs to pay at the end of the service completed. A driver can collect the payment and both can provide reviews and ratings to each other. If the customer wants to set the driver as a favorite, he can also do it from here. Let's check how the courier service working. On the home screen of the courier service, customers can check the list of illegal and non-essential items for the courier package. On clicking the Create Order, the customer can set package weight, pickup location with the building name, house name, sender name, and contact details. Next, customer need to fill up the receiver details like drop location, receiver name, and contact number. Next, he needs to add the package details he wants to send, the estimated value of the parcel item, and additional instruction for the delivery person. The customer can verify all the sender, receiver, and package details and show the courier charges with details. Customers can place the order for now and also schedule it. Customer needs to pay the courier charges at the time of order placed. Once the customer places the order, the nearest delivery person gets the order request. In the courier service, the driver allocates based on the weight limit. Admin assigns specific weight range for that vehicle type. A driver can check all details of courier request and accept or reject it. After the request is accepted, the driver can show the sender, receiver, and package details. As shown earlier, a driver can manage the order status like arrived, start, and complete the same service as the taxi ride service. Let's review the rental service flow in brief. Customer needs to add pickup and drop locations with the date and time for the rental services. Pickup and drop location with date and time must be required in the rental services because rental charges need to be paid based on hourly rental. Suppose a 1 hour quote is $10 and you want the taxi rent for 5 hours, you need to pay $50. After the addresses and time setup, you need to select the vehicle type same as the taxi service. Once the vehicle type is selected, the customer can review the total free kilometer for the rental hours and the total fare of the rental service. Once the order is placed, the driver gets a rental service request and checks the details of the pickup and drop location with time. Once the order is accepted, redirect it to the order history screen. First, driver needs to allocate the vehicle to the customer at the pickup location. When the driver assigns the vehicle, he needs to enter the vehicle's current odometer. After the driver allocates the vehicle, the customer can start the ride. The customer needs to drive the vehicle and travel where he wants to go. A driver can track the vehicle's location within the application. At the end, the customer must go to the drop location to deliver the vehicle to the driver. Once the customer drops the vehicle at the drop point, the driver needs to receive it. When receiving the vehicle, the driver must recheck and enter the current odometer. Once the driver receives the vehicle, the ride fare is recalculated based on the current time and pickup time. The script auto-calculates the fare based on actual rental time, free kilometer or extra kilometer traveled, and more detail. Customer can proceed to pay for the rental service, and at the end, the customer and driver can send reviews and ratings to each other. Let's review the complete workflow of the food delivery service. Delivery service required 3 applications: customer app, delivery person, and store owner app. First, let's review the store app sign up process quickly. Once the OTP is verified, you need to add full name and email address. Once the detail is added, you show the screen to add more details from the store web panel. Let's move to the store web panel and complete more details for the store account. You need to log in to the store web panel with the same credentials used on the app. Verify the OTP number. You can select gender and modify the name. Next, you need to select any single delivery services that you want to provide. Next, you have the option to add brief details of the store like store name, delivery radius, banner image, estimated delivery time, order minimum amount, packaging charges, short description, store address, store timing, etc. Last, store owner needs to upload the required document which the admin sets. Once all the details are submitted, the account goes for admin approval. Store owners can add the products before the admin approves the account. Admin needs to approve the store account from the food delivery dashboard. Go to delivery services, food delivery, stores, unapproved store list. Once the admin approves the account, the store owner can access the app and get a new order request. Let's check the food delivery complete flow. Customers can browse the nearest restaurant and also browse based on category wise. You can search for restaurants and products through master search. You can check more store details like minimum order, delivery time, all reviews and ratings, provide takeaway or not, how far from your location, store discount offer, store timing, and store location. You can also set the store as a favorite. Customers can add the product with customized topping features. From the checkout, you can confirm the added product list, apply a promo code, tip provide to the delivery person, additional remarks for the store, would you like to deliver or take away a product, and added delivery address. With the convenient payment method, customers can place an order for now or schedule it. Once the order is placed, the customer can track the order status and live location of the delivery person. Once the customer places the order, the store owner gets the new order request with a sound ring. Store owners can briefly view the list of all products, additional remarks, delivery time, and customer details. If the store owner or customer has any queries, they can call or chat with each other within the app. The store owner can accept or reject the order request based on the order details. Once the store owner accepts the order, the customer gets an in-app notification. When the store owner moves the accepted order to process, the nearest delivery person gets a request for the order. The delivery person can check the details of the store name, pickup location, drop location, payment type, and more. Once the order is accepted, the delivery person can show the pickup location with an estimated time and distance. If he has any queries, he can call and chat directly to the store owner. The customer also gets the order notification for the driver allocated for your order. The driver can also check the order details with a list of product items and how much needs to collect from the customers. When the driver reaches the store location, he needs to change the status to arrived. Store owners are notified when the driver arrives to pick up the order. When the order is picked up at the store, the driver can change the order status as order picked up. After the order is picked up, driver and customer can both do call and chat if they have any queries. Once the delivery person is on the way to delivery, the customer can track the live location on the map. When the driver reaches the customer drop location, he needs to set the order status as delivered. Once click on the delivered, the delivery person needs to enter the OTP and the OTP code needs to collect from the customer. Once the successful order is delivered, the driver can show the order summary with his earnings and how much the customer needs to collect. Customers can send reviews and ratings to delivery person and stores based on order experience. All other delivery services workflow is the same as food delivery. Let's tour how the on-demand handyman service flow works. Before checking the service flow, let's review the complete sign-up procedure for the provider. After verifying the OTP, need to add full name and email address. After basic detail, the provider has the option to add address information and service radius. A provider can offer the service in a selected radius of kilometer from the set location. Next, the provider must select the handyman service he wants to provide. A provider can choose multiple services after the complete sign-up process. After the service selection, you need to add one package of the selected service with details of package name, description, quote and max quantity per single order. Once all the details are submitted, the provider account goes for approval. Once the admin approves the account, a provider can access apps and get customers' order requests. Admin can accept the provider account from the beauty service dashboard. Go to provider services, beauty service, providers, unapproved providers list. On the handyman service home screen, you can show a list of all categories and sponsor providers. The customer needs to go to the category of which type of service he wants. On the click category, show the list of nearest providers. Customers can check the provider's distance from his location, the number of completed orders, and review. On clicking on the provider profile, you can show all added package list with pricing, review and ratings, work portfolio, and more details. Customer can add multiple packages from multi-categories from the same provider account. Click on Proceed to check all added packages with pricing. Customers must select the service time slot from the Confirm Order screen. Customers can review the day-wise availability time of the providers. Customers can apply promo codes, add instruction for the providers, change delivery locations, and place orders with convenient payment options. Once a customer places the order, the provider gets the new order request with a sound ring. A provider can briefly view the list of all added packages, additional remarks, delivery address and time, and customer details. If the provider or customer has any queries, they can call or chat with each other within the app. The provider can accept or reject the order request based on the order details. Once the provider takes the order, the customer gets a notification. After the order is accepted, the provider must go to the customer's location to provide services. Once the provider is ready to go to the customer location, click on Go Now. A provider can use Google Map navigation to find the best route to a customer location. Once the provider arrives at the customer location, change the status to Arrived. Next, the provider needs to start working on the requested service, and after the work end, a provider can set the order status to completed. Customer gets all order status in a notification. The customer can provide the tip to providers and proceed to order payment. At the end of the services, customers and providers can send feedback to each other. All other 40 plus services workflow is the same as beauty services. Let's check about coupon deals. The coupon deal is a third-party coupon service. Customer needs to purchase the coupon from here and need to redeem it on a third-party webs and apps. Customers can browse all available coupons category-wise. On clicking on the coupon, check brief details like name, amount, brand name, validity days, how to redeem, and terms and conditions of the coupon. Customers can purchase multiple coupons through wallet or card details. Once the coupon is purchased, you can show the code from My Coupon in the in-app menu. Let's review all other in-app menus in brief. Wallet. History. Customer can check all transaction history of the wallet. Customers can filter based on dates and service. There is also an option to view only credit and debit transactions. Top up. Customers can add the wallet amount through the card or digital payment gateway. Customer can pay the ride or delivery service order amount through their wallet. Pay. If the customer wants to pay their friends and family who use the Fox-Jek script, they can transfer the wallet balance also. Customers can search profile through name, contact number, and email ID. Manage card. Customers can add and remove the card details. Customers can show the order history based on categories like transport service orders, delivery service, and handyman services orders. Customers can apply filters like today, upcoming, last 7 days, last 30 days, this year, and all. From the order list, customers get order details like order service name, pickup and delivery address, total order amount, order service time, and order status pending, running, completed. On click the order list, open the order details in brief. In-app menu, live chat. As we show, during the order or ride, the customer can chat with the store owner and delivery person. Customer can show all running order chat lists from the menu. In-app menu, manage profile. Customers can manage profile information like name, email, contact number, emergency contact details, and profile picture. If the customer wants to remove the account from the script, he can do it from the profile setting. In-app menu, manage address. A customer can set 5 favorite locations as home, work, and others. In the delivery and provider services, the customer directly selects the added location with a single tap and does not need to enter it repeatedly. In-app menu, favorite driver. From here, the customer can show a list of all his added favorite drivers. In the bike or taxi ride service, customers can set the driver as a favorite at the end of the service. For the next ride, the request first go to added favorite drivers if a driver is online. In-app menu, notifications. Customer can view all past push notifications sent by the super admin. In-app menu, help and support. Customer can get more details about the site owner through the About Us, Contact Us pages. The customer can also read the FAQ, terms and conditions, and privacy policy of the script. In-app menu, preference. When the application opens, the customer can select the preferred language and currency. After the login, if a customer wants to change the language or currency, he can also change from the in-app preference setting. In-app menu, My Coupons. If a customer purchases third-party coupon deals from the app, he can show all purchased coupon lists here. In-app menu, Emergency Contact. With a single tap, the customer can call the added contact number and manage the emergency contact number from edit profile settings.